Okay, so we're going to start with the dragon. We're going to use a traditional Japanese base. It's called the flower base. If you look down here on my paper, you see I've got a double colored paper here, color on one side, white on the other side. We're going to start with the color side up. What we're just going to do is going to bisect it like so. We want to make sure we get all of our points lined up exactly, because if we don't, that's going to create problems later. So we've got the initial bisect like so. Then we're going to fold it over again. Make sure our points are straight, like so. Oops. So I got my handy dandy chopsticks for here to pull out those corners. Then we're going to take this part and fold it over again, like so. Flip it and fold another triangle into it, like this. There we go. Now what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and unfold it. And I do it this way with the color on the inside because all I got to do is just pop it. And once I pop it, it'll automatically want to fold into the shape here. I have to work the corners just a little bit and make sure everything's lining up real good on these corners here. We'll just pull them and smash them down. And there's our flower base.